Hi everyone. I just did a practice run, so I have paint in my thing and I'm holding my finger over the hole. So now I'm going to pour some more paint in. Make sure I have enough. Whoops, shouldn't be above the painting. Okay, so I have a different setup than I had before. I've got weights on my cup, all evenly around the cup. I have a thin string here with some, this is fishing lure stuff. I don't know what it's called. You put it on the end of your thing and you put your, what do you call it on there? I forget what it's called. Anyway, that's there, and there's one at the top as well. I can't show you it right now because my hands are a little bit full. So I'm working on a bigger canvas. I'm using, on the base, I have some mist tints that I'm using up. This one is Valspar, and it's like a dark gray. And I've got here, it's a Sherwin-Williams mist tint, and it's satin, and it's blue. So, don't know how much, it's probably not going to show up very good on this, but I'm still practicing, I'm still discovering and trying things. Okay, so I want to go on a bit of an angle. The trick is not to go throw it too far so that you waste a lot of paint. It's just to throw it or let it go far enough to cover the painting. Okay. Ooh, a big blob there, and I got some on the floor. Got some on the paint jar. So far so good. I've got my what am I going to say? I don't know. Oh, I got it farther away from the canvas. That was my problem before. I had it too close. Let's just hope it works out. I've got a little board here that I'm going to catch under the cup when I'm ready to stop it. Okay. I blew that. Oh, I can't touch it now. All right. All right, I think I'm going to stop there. paint back in the jar. Okay, I'm done. It's bleeding a little bit in the middle. So I'm going to keep practicing and trying. I think my pendulum might need to be on a higher ceiling. It's not very high. I'll just show you. Show you. It's very low. See, it's only about maybe, there it is there, 3 feet. 3 or 4 feet to the table. But anyway, I don't know. I'll figure it out. It's not too bad. Okay, this one dried. And I know the colors aren't so great, gray with blue on it. But I'm just practicing, and this is an old canvas that is kind of warped, so I thought I would practice on this before I practice on a good canvas. It dried okay. Still getting some paints bleeding in the middle, but it doesn't look too bad. So I'll try a different paint. I think I know the consistency that I need. It runs off in like a stream when you put like a stir stick in it and you lift it up like this. This is the actual paint here. And you lift it up like this and it runs in a stream, and it should leave a tiny mound in the bottom of the paint, or at the top of the paint. At least that's what I think anyway. So I'll do it again. I'll try another one and see how it goes. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.